Assalamualaikum, Madam. My name is Sharifah Anira binti Wan Wahab, 72663. Today, I will be presenting problem statement for Task 1, Sarawak General Hospital, Pandemic Control Center. They need computer system in high performance. It must include image processing, pandemic prediction, and control on disease. For Task 2, computer system for Sarawak Information System Science, they need computer system with high performance web server such as YouTube. It must serve user in 24 hours without fail.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Azim bin Abdul Karim with the matrix number of 73244. On this video, I'm going to present on the hardware that we are going to use for task 1 and task 2. As you can see it over here, these are the hardware that we're going to use to overcome the problem for task 1 and task 2, which are task 1, we have to provide a computer system in high performance for image processing, for pandemic prediction, and control on disease. While for task 2, we have to provide a computer system with high performance web server to serve user in 24 hours in daily basis. So as you can see over here, this 6 hardware is really compatible for provide this computer system with good performance.
So I will present about reason to choose hardware below for task 1. For graphic card, GeForce GTX is chosen because it has high digital resolution and visual resolution. Therefore, it is easier for doctor and researcher to detect the genetic change of pandemic disease. For CPU, AMD Ryzen 9 is chosen because it can handle 24 instruction tracks. Therefore, it will prevent program for hanging and easier for them to find solution to current pandemic disease. For RAM, Corsair Vengeance LPX 32GB is chosen because it has big memory size and will make the processing speed faster. Therefore, it will prevent delay in update info to WHO. For ROM, Samsung 970 is chosen because it has big storage. Therefore, more data of patient can be saved and easier for analyze pandemic disease because it's comparable. For thermal solution, Corsair H1001 CPU cooler is chosen to prevent overheat. When overheat happens, it will cause the pandemic analysis phase problem when the computer suddenly shut down or missing information of patient.
Reason to choose hardware in task 2. For the CPU part, AMD Ryzen 9 3900S is chosen because it consists of 12 core and 24 threads. It is using 7 nanometer of manufacture technology, which have a million of transistors in one CPU. It has 3.8 GHz base clock and up to 4.6 GHz when boost out. This will have nanosecond of data transfer between CPU and hardware. For the RAM, the 32GB of DDR4 DRAM 3200 MHz is chosen. This is because by using DDR4 technology, it has high bandwidth and high capacity to transfer the memory between CPU and storage. For the storage, we're using 1 TB of SSD and 4 TB of HDD. This is because the speed of data in SSD is faster. The SSD is using the concept of fast memory chip, which can have the faster speed to transfer data between CPU and storage. For the HDD is used to store data processed and as a database. By using the RAID technology, it allows data erased properly and easy recover due to failure. The thermal solution also important in the hardware solution. It is suitable, have a suitable temperature to output the maximum performance. By using the thermal solution, we also can prevent overheat and minimize the damage of component in CPU.
Hi, my name is Ezekiel. I'll be presenting on the project costs. So first we start with the AMD Ryzen 9. It costs 12,149 ringgit, and the RAM Corsair Vengeance LPX, 216 gigabytes memory. It costs 779 ringgit, and the SSD Samsung 970 EVO costs 1,099 ringgit, and the CPU cooler Corsair H100i costs 499 ringgit, and the motherboard Gigabyte X570 Aorus Pro Wi-Fi, it costs 1,299 ringgit. So by doing this, we can eliminate the addition of a separate network card. And for the graphics card, we have a Zotac GTX 1080 8GB graphics card. It costs 2,389 ringgit. And for the HDD, the hard disk, we have 4 terabytes of Seagate Barracuda, and our system uses 4 of these to run it in RAID 5 configuration. So each one costs 475 ringgit. And for the power supply unit, we are going with the EVGA 600 watts PSU. It costs 509 ringgit. So the total cost of this build is 10,623 ringgit. So that's all for the project costs.